Here is how to change your password on a laptop or PC. So for that, you need to click on the Windows Start button at the bottom of your screen on the left, then tap on Settings to open it. Now in Settings, you need to find and click on Accounts. And once you're in the Accounts section, scroll down and click on Sign In Options, which is just below the email and accounts. Here, you'll get 4 different options of your security on your computer. That is Windows Hello Face, fingerprint, hello pin, and security key. As I have set my account with a pin, I'm going to go ahead and tap on Windows hello pin and then tap on change. Now enter your current password and enter your new password and then confirm by tapping it again and give a password hint and then click on next and finish. The next time you sign in, you need to use your new password and sign into your account. So that's it. I hope you found this video helpful. If you did, please like, share, and subscribe. Thanks for watching. We'll see you again in the next one.